Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subject Information Technology Class 11IT. Okay, I am Talib Munshi. Chapter number 3, Impressive Web Design with HTML5. Today I am covering two topics. First one is what are the tags in HTML, and second topic, what are attributes. Two topics I am covering, tags and attributes. Now let's start with tags. What is tag in HTML, or what is tags? What are tags? Good, give answer. Tags are command. Command, you are giving command na, do this, don't do this. This is command. Tags are command for defining HTML documents. When you are writing code, student, when you are writing code, you are typing it as a code, and in HTML you are writing or you are typing markup tags. What are the purpose of the tag? Everything which is designed in HTML is because of tags only. So there are many purpose. First, create overall structures here. Overall structure. Then text, you can do text formatting your text. ABC means, for example, I am well. This is the text. This is a string. You can format this, color this. You can give blink. You can decorate that text. Then give hyperlink. Link, you are jumping from one page to another. It is also with the help of tags. Then display image, display graphic, and there are many work of tags. Some basic tags in HTML. There are many tags, but some basics are H1 tag. H1 tag. It is for heading. P for paragraph. Then horizontal ruler. HR. You can give line. Then anchor tag. Anchor is for link. Then for making list, your menu, you are using UL and OL tag. Then image tag. These are some basic tags in HTML. Later we will study in detail. Okay, these are tags. Now next, what is attribute? What is the meaning of attribute? Then we'll see definition. Simply extra information here. Additional information, extra information, like in English, adjective. What is the adjective? She is a good girl. So girl, for girl, adjective is good girl. He is a nice person. Nice is adjective, extra information, additional information for that noun. Okay, in the same way, when we have tags, we just need additional information. For example, body tag. You know it very well. Body tag. Everything which is appear on web browser, on display, it is under body tag in HTML. So this is an important tag. It has it can have attribute bg color, for background color is equal to pink in double inverted commas. So what is the definition? It defines a property property, it is not properly. Property for an element, for an tag. Property means extra information of that tag consists of attribute, value, and appears within the element's start tag. All HTML elements can have attributes. All HTML tags can have attributes. Means all HTML elements tags have extra information, additional information. Attributes provide additional information about tags or element. Both same. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name value pairs, like name is equal to name and value pair. For example, name, color, bg color is equal to value, give value. Okay, this is attributes. Now an example of tag and its attribute. For example, attribute align. It has value left, right, center, justify. Left, right, center. You know what is justify? Left means left, coming from here. Right, here. Center, in center. And what is the meaning of justify? You know, you can, if you see your book, it is both margin, left and right, in one line. Very systematic line. This is justify. Okay, student. Now let's see practical. Okay, I am starting this Sublime Text. This is text editor. You can use Notepad. Okay, student, no problem. DOC type HTML, then HTML, body tag. Then I am using the heading tag. This is a basic tag. Now today I am explaining you attribute of that tag. For example, this is body tag. Body tag has many attribute. I am taking bg color is equal to, for example, light green, or any color you can give. Light green. See the output first. Press F5. It became light green. It become light green. Now next, if you want to change text color, give another, just give gap. See and listen carefully, just give gap. Text is equal to which color? Blue color. Okay, blue. Text is equal to blue. Now see at output. Text appear in blue color. Text. Next, this is two attributes of body tag. These are two attributes of additional information of this body tag. Now come to the one more basic tag, that is heading tag. This is used for heading. If you want to make this heading in center, then use align tag. Align is equal to center. Good student, very good. See here, this is heading tag. It come in center. You can give right, you can give justify here. Right. Okay, it go to right. Okay, in this way we are using this tag. See the structure again. You are new to this. Okay, thus we are using tags and its element. Okay, in this way today we have learned, student, what are first tags and second one is attribute. What is tags? It is command given to the browser कि आपको क्या करना है. एट्रीब्यूट्स, जो टैग है उसका एक्स्ट्रा फीचर, उसका एडिशनल फीचर लाइक एडजेक्टिव, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन क्या बॉडी है तो उसको कौन सा कलर देना है, बैकग्राउंड कलर कौन सा देना है, उसका टेक्स्ट कौन सा चाहिए। ऐसे ही जो भी टैग है उसकी एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देना है तो हम लोग एट्रीब्यूट्स को यूज़ कर रहे हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, थैंक यू।